You're blasting through the trees, gliding on top of the snow. Your sled will go anywhere that your mind can imagine. You can climb the steepest of slopes through the deepest snow with such ease. You think to yourself, I'm not dreaming. I'm on an Agility High Boost Turbo by BoonDocker. This is real. I have an intercooled version performing nicely on my Skidoo with the Rotax 850 E-Tech engine. Hey folks, Bret Rasmussen here. I've got Kobi Stevens here today to talk about my BoonDocker Agility High Boost Turbo package. Kobi, what can you share with our viewers about this setup?
Hey guys, Kobi here. I can't say enough about how well this sled performs. BoonDocker went to great lengths to make this the very best package it can be. They considered every piece, every wire connector, every single component was evaluated and re-engineered for weight reduction, durability, and performance. It's quieter, more responsive, and the drivability is perfect. Some of the improvements you'll find built into this high boost intercooled monster are charge air and cold air system. The charge and intake tubing is constructed of high performance aluminum for less turbulence and improved flow. This means increased power and throttle response. All new intercooler for this year. The heat exchanger is mounted on the airbox, providing more efficient heat transfer, increased cooling capacity, and the coolant is independent of the engine coolant for more reliability. Exhaust. Fully heat shielded exhaust components to control engine compartment heat and decrease the likelihood of melting parts. Quieter muffler. If you can believe it, this is nearly quieter than stock. We're within 2.5 decibels of stock while wide open on the throttle within a wide range of RPNs. Turbocharger. The proprietary F47 turbo is tilted slightly to prevent excess oil from pooling into the charge air system. The designated turbo oil system increases life expectancy and does not alter the stock oiling system. Electronics. The USB updatable fuel controller allows for easy switching between tunes and performance levels, with improved wiring harness spec for higher heat resistance, more flexibility, and improved resistance to breakage. Upgraded fueling software. The improved tuning strategy prevents bogs in all conditions. It provides better fuel economy and improved fueling calibration for better, more consistent performance. I have logged over 500 trouble-free miles since February with this turbo. It's my daily ride. I run straight 100 LL avgas without a minute's trouble. I spend a good portion of my time riding in the trees. This machine will go from 0 to 75 mile-per-hour track speeds in a very short distance. In other words, I can get myself out of trouble before I ever get in it.
Thank you, Kobi, for the update on the new Agility Turbo package from BoonDocker. Now it's my turn to burn a tank of gas out of this beast before you take off with it again. If you have ever been interested in a high output turbo, this is the year to jump in. The Agility features a fully modular design for easier installation. I really can't believe how quiet this machine runs. It actually sounds stock, which is something I'm really excited about. I'm totally over the noisy exhaust systems. Remember, a good running sled puts purpose in the backcountry experience. How many of you out there are running an Agility Turbo package this year? And how do you feel it compares to the prior BoonDocker Sidekick? Subscribe to my channel today to receive the latest notifications. Until next time, ride Rasmussen style.